superstars looking for a victory, looking to build momentum. "20 years of destruction for The Undertaker. Looking, watch it, and he powers out. Great match here. But if you missed any of the matches from this week, go to WWE.com to catch up on all the action. Once again, momentum has changed.
The dead man has come here to dominate. Oh, he got him. Oh, what's he going to do to follow that up?
Once more,
Whoa!
and he fights his way out.
Watch out!
Doing whatever it takes to win.
That'll put your lights out quick. Hey!
Nash is an extraordinary athlete, a massive powerhouse, Big Daddy Cool. The tag is made. And he finally, Edge just taking advantage.
We got to cover.
One, and he's in there trying to get something going for his partner.
He's trying to clear out the cobweb. His head has to be screaming.
Edge again heading to the top.
He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now.
We got a tag.
Edge is so good at what he does.
He's the best.
Hey!
And he fights out of it. He breaks the hold.
Oh! Oh, man! A big-time miss.
With his strength, I'm not sure anybody wants to step into the ring against Mark Henry.
Man, this has been a great matchup. Whoa!
These competitors trying to keep their wits about them. Tombstone pile driver. He's been served his last right. And will this be it? One. His partner's being punished and he's seen it up. And there's the count. High impact, no mistakes. That's Undertaker's style.
Oh, how much pain must that neck be in now? Undertaker is spooky intense. He's the phenom of the WWE for a reason.
Going top rope once more.
No! I'm not sure. But with a miss like that, I'm wondering if he has something in his eye. How many people are in this world, Michael?
I don't know. I think it's nearly 7 billion.
Well, think about this. Mark Henry is stronger than all of them. He's heading back up. Heads up. Wow, perfectly executed. Sometimes when you go high risk, you crash and burn. And sometimes you knock it out of the park. And that was a perfect example of hitting it big.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men. He does it again.
We talk a lot of...
Can he score the pin? 1, 2, 3. The Undertaker claims another soul.